welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can shave your facial hair at home in just 2 easy steps. I'm going to share a lot of things, a lot of tips that I use to shave my facial hair. And you guys have also asked a few questions about face shaving, so I'm going to also answer them. And yes, without any further ado, let's get into the video. 2 things that you're going to need is aloe vera gel and face razor. I use the Enquires face razor. I used to use these ones, but I feel like these last longer and they are much high quality, so I prefer these ones. I'll link both of them in the description box if you want to check them out. Hair here, and like all these hair are growing out like here, and like upper lip hair. Like I have a lot of hair growth right now because I've not shaved my face for 6 weeks for this video. I'm gonna start off by taking some aloe vera gel. I use the Patanjali one, works good for me. I'm gonna take some and apply it all over my face. So when you apply aloe vera gel, it gives a more smoother area for the blade to work in. So you got to be more careful after this because the blade just slides after this. Take your blade and point it downwards and start shaving like this. Keep a very light hand, ज़्यादा ऐसे तेज मत पकड़ना, एकदम आराम से करना. Can you see? Just one slide and aloe vera gel has become like a smooth base for your blade to work out very easily. Now we're going to do the upper lips. Answer a few of the questions before we move on to the eyebrows. Okay, so the first question is can we shave eyebrows too, and do hairs grow fast as compared? So yes, we can shave our eyebrows. It's very easy. I'm going to just show you after answering. Yeah, we can. And do the hair grow fast? No, I don't think so. I have been someone who has always had a fast hair growth, so it has been the same. The next question is how often do facial hair have to be shaved? For me, I tend to shave my facial hair I think 3 times in a month because like I told you, I have a fast hair growth. For some people it's just 1 time in a month and 2 times a month, but for me it's 3 because I have a fast hair growth. So yeah. Next question is does the hair grow back thicker? No, the hair does not grow back thicker. It is the same. I shave my whole body and I do not experience any kind of thicker hair growth. So yeah. Okay, I'll answer a few questions after showing you how to shave your eyebrows. So what we're going to do is same motion. Take it and then downwards. We're going to do the same thing here. First we're going to do the upper part. It's very easy, but make sure you have to be very careful here. You can't go like this. पूरा उड़ जाएगा. बहुत आराम से करना है. See, there's already so much difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow. It's so much better. Let's do this portion now. I have always felt like whenever I shave my face looks very brightened and like it looks very fresh for some reason. And doing this area is the most easiest part of doing eyebrows. This one is a bit tricky one. I have to shave this from the tip. The tip that you see, we are going to shave this area by the tip. Okay, so stretch it. Gone. Did you just see that? How quick it was? And अगर आप पार्लर जाओ वो धागे वगैरह से करो कितना पेन होता है एरिया. And it was just for 1 second. And it did not even pain. Like it did not even pain. It was so easy. Did you just see? I'll just do this eyebrow also. You can just see again. Just use the tip. Lift it. Did you just see that? हो गया. Done. Like it's so simple. It's so simple. Like मैं ये 5 सेकंड में करती हूँ, लाइक लिटरली मुझे इतना अच्छे से आदत हो गया है लाइक टू यूज इट। आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट ना, आपको आदत पड़ जाएगी, आप बहुत आराम से कर पाओगे। आई एम टेलिंग यू, बट लाइक बिफोर एंड आफ्टर सो यू गाइस कैन सी कितना डिफरेंस है। No question that says why do you shave? Because it's painless, it's not time consuming, it is good for my skin. Like yeah, these are the main reason. I think इतना reason मिल रहा है enough है shave करने के लिए. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, please. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye.